Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hop and South Birmingham. Low mileage, 45,000 miles, 3 litre diesel. So XF Jaguar 3 litre diesel V6 luxury automatic 2014, 45,000 miles, 10 services, cam belts already been replaced at 35,000 miles, now done 45,000 miles. The number plate P123ACS goes with the car, or you could take it off and put it back on the 2014, its original number, which we have if you would like to. Stratus grey, which is very dark grey, like this colour, almost black. Comes with black leather. I can see it's got matching Continental tyres. It's £8,995. Bit of a wolf in sheep's clothing. It has the dynamic or the sport button. I'll just close the door. So 3 litre diesel V6 luxury, got the dynamic button for the sports mode. Reverse camera, rear park sensors, £8,995, lot of car. Matching Continental tyres all round. Alloy wheels, lovely, no corrosion, lovely and clean. Front park sensors, daytime running lights, headlamp washers. Black leather, as I said. Black leather, electric seats, heated seats, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, paddle change, electric steering column, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, reverse camera, heated seats, fitted mats, got Jaguar carpet mats, front and rear. Super clean, like it's never been sat in. Lovely and clean in the boot as well. Space saver spare wheel. Up under there's the reverse camera. Nice and clean in there. Jack, wheel locking key, tool brace. Space saver aluminium spare wheel. It's all there. Complete as it should be. So low mileage, 45,000 miles, 10 services, cam belt replaced at 35,000 miles, matching Continental tyres, 2 keys, cam belt replaced, price like a new car, not covered in stone chips, low mileage, perfect history. $45,513 miles. I'll show you in a second. Let's just turn the radio down a bit. I'll show you the reverse camera. Down there is the dynamic button. Nowhere to the leather on the seat. We jump in, select reverse, reverse camera. There you go, nice and clear, big reverse camera. Obviously got heated seats as well. There you go, got the heated seats on. It's red hot. Only 45,000 miles from you. What a lot of car. 8,995 on a 2014 14 reg. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. We'll have more than one XF, obviously. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.